One warm scrumptious delight, please.
Here you go.
Enough of some people. I know, it's a fortunate ticket. Come on. It's a golden ticket in my shop.
Listen, I'll buy it from you. I'll give you $50 and a new bicycle.
Are you crazy? I'll give him $500 for the ticket. You wanna sell me, young man?
That's enough of that. Leave the kid alone. Listen, don't let anything have it. Take it straight home, you understand? Thank you. I found it! The last golden ticket!
Here, read it aloud.
The 1st of February, but that's tomorrow.
There's not a moment to lose. Wash your face, comb your hair, scrub your hands, brush your teeth.